Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to do the problems in exercise 3 from the chapter fractions. Okay. In this exercise we are going to learn to compare the unlike fractions. Before that you have to know the fact. Okay. Here in unlike fractions with the same numerator, the fractions with a greater denominator is smaller. Here see the first one. Here these two fractions are unlike fractions, isn't it? The denominators are different, but see the numerators are same. In this case the fraction with the greater denominator is smaller. Okay, here we are having 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Here the numerators are same, so we have to compare the denominators. The fraction with greater denominator has smaller value. So 1 by 4 is the smaller, 1 by 2 is greater. So which fraction is greater? 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 4. The fraction with greater denominator is smaller. Okay, the next one 5 by 11 and 5 by 12. Here which denominator is greater? 12 is greater. So this fraction is smaller. So 5 by 11 is greater fraction. Here 9 by 19 and 9 by 10. Which 9 by 10. Which denominator is greater? 19 is greater. So this fraction is smaller. 9 by 19 is smaller. 9 by 10 is greater. Second question, compare the fractions. Here we are going to compare the unlike fractions with different numerators. Okay. Here the denominators are 4 and 3. We have to find, to compare the unlike fractions, first we have to convert the unlike fractions into like fractions by finding LCM. Okay, we have to find the LCM of the denominators 4 and 3. Here 4 and 3 are co-prime numbers. So LCM of 4 and 3 is the product of 4 and 3. 4 3s are 12. 12 is the LCM. If the numbers are co-prime, then the product of the numbers is the LCM. So 4 3s are 12. Now we have to convert the denominators in the given fractions to 12. Okay, the first fraction is 3 by 4. In 4 table, when you will get 12, 4 3s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 3. Then we will get 3 3s are 9 by 12. Then the second fraction is 2 by 3. Here in 3 table when you will get 12, 3 4s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 4. Then you will get 2 4s are 8, 8 by 12. Now we got the fractions with the same denominator 12. These two fractions are like fractions. In like fractions we have to compare the numerator. Here the numerator is 9. Here the numerator is 8. Which is greater? 9 is greater. So 9 by 12 is greater fraction. For the given fraction 4 by 3 and 2 by 3. So 3 by 4 is the greater fraction. Was it clear? Then the second two fractions 9 by 10 and 3 by 4. Here also these two fractions are unlike fractions. So we have to convert it into like fractions by finding LCM of the denominators. So LCM of 10 and 4. Here by using L division we are going to find the LCM. Here these two numbers are even numbers, so we can divide it by 2. For 10 divided by 2, that is 5, and 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Now we got prime numbers here. So we have to stop here. To find the LCM, we have to multiply all the prime numbers. 2 into 5 into 2. 2 5s are 10, 10 twos are 20. So the LCM is 20. Now we have to change the denominators in the given fractions to 20. So the first fraction is 9 by 10. In 10 table when you will get 20, 10 twos are, isn't it? So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 2. 9 twos are 18 by 20, the first fraction. Then the second fraction is 3 by 4. In 4 table when you will get 20, 5 times. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 5. 3 5s are 15 by 4 5s are 20. Now we got like fractions, 18 by 20 and 15 by 20. Now we have to compare the numerators. Here numerator is 18, here numerator is 15. Which is greater? 18 is greater. So 18 by 20 is greater. So the fraction 9 by 10 is greater. Okay. Then the next question, 3 by 5 and 8 by 10. Here we have to change the given fractions into like fractions. So we have to find the LCM of the denominators 5 and 10. See here 5 and 10. 10 is the multiple of 5, isn't it? 10 is the multiple of 5. If the number is multiple of another number, we can take the greater number as LCM. So 10 is the LCM. Here already in the second fraction, the denominator is 10. So no need to change the second fraction. Now we are going to convert the first fraction with the denominator 10. Here the denominator is 5. In 5 table when you will get 10, 2 times. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 2. Then we will get 6 by 10. And the second fraction is 8 by 10. Now these two fractions are like fractions. We have to compare the numerator. 6 by 10 and 8 by 10. Here the numerator is 6. Here the numerator is 8. Which is greater? 8 is greater. So 8 by 10 is the greater fraction. So 3 by 5 and 8 by 10. Here 8 by 10 is the greater fraction. Is it clear, children? In the next question, we are going to arrange the given fractions in ascending order. Ascending order means we have to arrange the fractions from smaller to greater. See the first set of fractions, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. These are the unlike fractions with the same numerator. Unlike fractions with same numerator means the denominator, we have to check the denominator. The fraction with greater denominator is smaller, isn't it? So 1 by 5 is the smallest fraction. Then here 3 and 4, the next greater denominator is 4. So this is the second one and 1 by 3 is the third one. Now we are going to arrange the fractions in ascending order. Ascending order, the first smallest one is 1 by 5. Then the second one is 1 by 4 and then 1 by 3 is the greater fraction. Is it clear? If the numerators are same means we have to check the denominators. The fraction with the greater denominator is smaller. The fraction with smaller denominator is greater. Okay. Then the second set of numbers 3 by 4, 3 by 8 and 3 by 12. First we have to convert the unlike fractions to the like fractions. So we have to find the LCM of the denominators 4, 8 and 12. 4, 8 and 12 by using L division. Here 4, 8, 12. All the three numbers are even numbers. So it is divisible by 2. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. 8 divided by 2, that is 4. And 12 divided by 2, that is 6. Again we can divide the numbers by 2. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. And 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Now we got the prime numbers in the last row. So we have to stop here. To find the LCM, we have to multiply all the prime numbers. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So LCM is 24. Now we have to change the denominators of the given fractions to 24. Okay. So let us take the first fraction, 3 by 4. Okay. We have to change the denominator to 24. In 4 table, when you will get 24? 4 6 are 24. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 6. 3 6 are 18. So first fraction is 18 by 24. Then the second fraction is 3 by 8. Here in 8 table, when you will get 24? 8 3s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 3. 3 3s are 9. Then the third fraction is 5 by 12. In 12 table, when you will get 24? 12 2s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 2. Then 5 2s are 10. 10 by 24. Now we got the fractions with the same denominator 24. These fractions are like fractions. Here 18 by 24 and 9 by 24 and 10 by 24. Now we have to arrange these fractions in ascending order. So we have to compare the numerators. Which is smaller? 9 is smaller. Then the next one 10. 10 by 24. Then 18 by 24 is the greatest. So ascending order 9 by 24. Then the second one is 10 by 24 and the greatest one is 18 by 24. Now we have to arrange the given fractions. Okay. Then 9 by 24 is 3 by 8. Okay. 3 by 8. Then 10 by 24 is 5 by 12. 5 by 12. Then 18 by 24 is 3 by 4. Okay. This is the ascending order of the given fractions. Is it clear? Then the next set of fractions 4 by 5, 9 by 10, 7 by 15 and 2 by 3. Now we are going to arrange the given 4 fractions in ascending order. These 4 fractions are unlike fractions, so we have to convert it into like fractions. For that, we have to find the LCM of the denominator numbers 5, 10, 15 and 3. By using L division, we are going to find the LCM. Okay. Except 3, 5, 10 and 15 are divisible by 5. So, I am going to divide the numbers by 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. 10 divided by 5, that is 2. 15 divided by 5, that is 3. Here 3 is not divisible, so we have to keep here. Here these 2 3. So again I am going to divide by 3. 1. Here 2 is not divisible, so we have to keep as it is. Then 1 term. 3 divided by 3, 1. Now we have to find the LCM. So we have to multiply all the prime numbers. 5 into 3 into 2. Here 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So the LCM is 30. Now we have to convert the denominators of the given fractions to 30. Okay. So first fraction is 4 by 5. In 5 table, when you will get 30, 5 6 are. So we have to multiply the numerator by 6. 4 6 are 24. 24 by 30. Then the second one is 9 by 10. Here in 10 table, when you will get 30, 10 3s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by 3. 9 3s are 27. Then the third one is 7 by 15. In 15 table, 15 2s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by 2. 7 2s are 14. Then the fourth one is 2 by 3. In 3 table, when you will get 30? 10 times. So we have to multiply the numerator by 10. 2 tens are 20. Now we got the fractions with the same denominator 30. These fractions are like fractions. Okay. So the first fraction is 24 by 30 and 27 by 30. Then 14 by 30. Then 20 by 30. Now we have to compare the numerators. Here 24, 27, 14, 20. Which is smaller? 14 is the smaller. So ascending order, the first one is 14 by 30. Then the next one is 20 by 30. 20 by 30. Then the next one is 24 by 30. Then 27 by 30 is the greatest fraction. Okay. Now we have to arrange the given fractions in ascending order. So 14 by 30 is 7 by 15 and 20 by 30. 20 by 30 is 2 by 3 and 24 by 30 is 4 by 5 and 27 by 30 is 9 by 10. Now we have arranged the given fractions in ascending order. Is it clear, children? To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.